This video will demonstrate how to make a word cloud from one or more codes or files. Word clouds are a quick way to visualize frequently used words in your data. In this example, I want to create a word cloud from the negative subcode of attitude. Open the negative code and click on the word cloud icon in the code tab in the ribbon. NVivo automatically creates a word cloud of the top words in this code using a word frequency query. I can modify the word cloud to search just in a single folder by clicking selected folders. I could use this to visualize just coding to negative from interviewees, for example. Moving the slider to stemmed words will group together words with the same stem, such as leader with leadership. To update the word cloud, click Run Query. Click the Summary tab on the far right hand side of the screen to see additional details. The word frequency query automatically excludes certain stop words. If the word cloud includes words you do not want to see, right-click on the word and select Add to Stop Words. Be sure to click on Run Query to refresh the word cloud.